Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And guess where I'm at? And today I'm going to get a engine crane. I'm going to get an engine leveler with that. I'm going to get a diagnostic tool and a couple other goodies to start my used car business. Okay. One of the first things I thought I was going to go ahead and is get a lithium Villic 3/8 cordless torque wrench. Alright, now here's what my primary purpose of coming up here was for. Was the old Pittsburgh 2-ton foldable shop crane. There's a cast. Yeah, that's the difference. Yeah. Metal wheels. And this one, the 1-ton's actually on sale for like $149 from $189. But this is the bad boy I need, is this one here. I was looking at the Earthquake brand impacts. Well, it's great that they have a this is the 1/2 inch. It has a 1200 foot breakaway torque, but the thing is they do have brushes. They're not brushless impact. Now they do carry brushless grinders, so those are that. And I don't know, I haven't seen a brushless brand yet with that type of impact. So in conclusion of today's good old Harbor Freight visit, got the 2-ton folding engine crane. I got a step stool that we use all around. I got the 2CMF vacuum pump for the air conditioning systems I've been trying to get my hands on for a while. I picked up the Zurich OBD2 code reader, and these are all the things that this thing can do. We'll read it later, but trouble codes, emissions, engine definitions, hotkeys, freeze frame, on screen, oil light, diagnostics, ABS as well, battery alternator, trip codes, graphs, battery reset, LEDs, and diagnostics. This is real important for what I needed. I picked up a lithium 20 volt 3/8 cordless torqueless ratchet, which I've been trying to get my hands on forever, and something that you can't really live without is a propane torch. And now I just got to get a nice sized propane tank for those nice seized bolts. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next last time I was at Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. The last time I went to Harbor Freight, I picked up a engine crane. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and get it put together. It's like our base. And box number 2 is our crane. Yeah. And I decided I was going to pick up a 2-ton instead of a 1-ton, because I felt that would be the better way to go. So That's the base. So we're going to go ahead and get this going and get it together. Put that in fastball. Let's see, what kind of tools do I need? I guess we're starting out putting the wheels on it. These are steel casters. Like we already got our bolts. They gave us the bolts to put in it already. They're all stringy. Let me get my little work wrench here ready to rock and roll. Put my three little full bolt ready to go. Let's see what size. Sweet. In this case, it is a 15. This is a foldable, so you can fold it right up and put it away. I bought a motor from the guy over the weekend, and I went to see it, and it just happens he has it hanging on the exact same model crane. This makes it so easy. You can pull motors right out of the car. Just pull the hood off and we'll do it. I'm putting this in 3. Put it in 2. You want 14 more red. Yeah. 14. Sweet. And this is a Pittsburgh model. I've got a Pittsburgh floor jack I bought too long ago. I was a video on that because that's the one before this one, and it'll refer you to this. Or you can go backwards and find the Pittsburgh. put it out. Alright, look at that. Okay. See the front ones. They got 3 wheels. The back ones. Back wheels are straight. Got straight bolts. They're bolted inside. Those aren't threaded. You gotta put regular bolts in there. They're all right here. These bolts there. Let's start. Step 1 is going to be putting the wheels on. Let's see. Stop recording. We're going to use 8 by 20 bolts to secure the wheels on here. So we're going to do that. We want to get all the wheels on everything first, and then we got a figure A. So we're going to use a bolt. Let's see, 5. And let's see. Probably should use the nuts when we do that. So these are 20, 22, 20. The bolts. Bolts actually 25. So or number 25. So it is actually 8 by 20. Millimeter, get all the nuts, and I think they want us to use the washers. I don't see any lock wash, no. Okay, lock washers are mixed with it, and then the lock washers and 24. The washers. Parts list. 23 A's are washers. 23 are your washers. You go back in the back of your glossary here. And let's see, 25 is your spring washer. 23 washer. 22 is playing 22. It's 22A. Okay. We don't have that. Oh, there we go. There's our diagram. Okay. We got our wheel. We got 24 is the wheel. 22. 22 hex nut. 23 is your lock washer. And of course 25 is your bolt. So